Hi there, I am Sai, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Waterpik brand water flosser. And you can see that this one is the 3100. This is really a first impressions video and unboxing. And we got this for my son. The dentist recommended it for him as an alternative to flossing. I think I'm going to have to get one of these too, but we're going to let him try it out. Hopefully it's going to do a good job for his teeth. And his dentist recommended this one. I've looked at the reviews. It's highly rated by a lot of people. And you can see that it says it removes up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria that can cause gingivitis. And it can be up to 2 times as effective as string floss. I like that idea. Here you can see we've got 2 flossers. I think that they are plastic. As you can see, you've got different heads on these things. And then you've got your charger here. And the Waterpik itself. There you have it. And you can see it's got the 2 speeds, 1 and 2. Got your charging port right here. So the water goes in here. You've got your eject button right here. Let's go ahead and get this thing charged up. Charging light there. It does come with these instructions in case you were wondering. Let's go ahead and insert this in here just to see how it goes in. And then you can eject it easily and face it multiple different ways. So this piece does come off here. Nice and easy actually. And go ahead and slide it back on. So I learned that it takes about 4 hours to charge initially, but then it can work for up to 9 weeks without a charge. All right, filled up pretty quick. And of course, if you're going to use this in the shower, you're going to want to make sure that this part is closed. Let's go ahead and give this thing a try out. But we are going to go ahead and turn it on and just shoot the wall for a second here. Oh yeah, that's powerful. Yeah, I've got it on high now. That's powerful. Let's go ahead and give this thing a quick try on my teeth. I think I prefer the higher speed. I think I'm gonna like it. It definitely feels like it would do a good job flossing. I feel like I could even do a better job in the shower and where I'm not having to worry about the water falling out of my mouth. So that's my first impression of the Waterpik water flosser. I hope you liked my quick review of this Waterpik water flosser. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.